gonna put in the second D3400. Dave got him 2 AGMs, so I get my second battery back. You know, I figured I had to help him out, man. So yeah, we're gonna get the second battery in. We're gonna change out some wires, some of the CCA that we can change out. We're gonna change out the charging cable, the 2 grounds, and run a new charger wire for the new battery. Connect the other positive to the other battery, tie those together, and then run the original charger cable. Gonna run that to there too. But yeah, need some more voltage. Takes power, make it power. That's what everybody says. I figure, I guess now we got the beast in there. Ain't no need to try to risk it. I will be putting a second alternator in. Yeah, I'm gonna do a 240. My boy Joseph's gonna kind enough to look out for me. Gonna hook me up with a 240 amp Aragi alternator to go underneath the hood. So we take care of each other. I look out for him. I look out for Dave. Dave looks out for me. You know, we scratch each other's back. Just like he got my 3.5K. You know, upgrade him. Upgrades everywhere. So, all right, let's get back to it. Yeah. Yeah, the hell with crimping. Right, Dave?
That's right. Fuck the crimping shit.
We're gonna solder.
Nice and solid.
Yep. Ain't got time for all that.
As soon as Dave gets himself together.
Yeah.
So
I'll tell you, man.
Find out what I did with the tank.
Eating up quality YouTube time here. Oh, we got the meth torch out. Oh yeah. Cook it up. Take the what? Take this Tide Pod challenge. Take the solder pod challenge, yo. Smoke some of this.
Take a shot of it.
Yo. Good. I'll take that up.
Good.
Free work there.
Solid.
Bye.
See ya, I love you. Be home about 3 hours. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow, Tyler.
No.
We're almost done. Then we gotta do Dave's.
Love you.
Yeah. And we're gonna tighten this up a little bit. Let it run over here. We're gonna pull this 4 gauge out for the 4 channel. We're gonna put it in over here, and then we're gonna run this right there.
Right there.
Yep. And then we'll upgrade the rest later. We just ain't really got time to do it right now, and I need some I don't know what the hell the name of that tape is. Tesla tape or something like that. I think that's what it is. So yeah. So it's
that good shit.
yeah, it's coming along. Coming along good.